Good evening, it's time for the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for staying with us. I look this evening at the export fees being charged by the Jamaica Agricultural Commodities Regulatory Authority, JACRA. The fees have been increased significantly. But why? TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
1 month ago, the cost of a coconut export permit was $500 Jamaican dollars. Today, local entrepreneurs are being charged 100,000 Jamaican dollars to conduct the same business. So what changed over the 1 month period? Based on our research, the fees went up after the Jamaica Agricultural Commodities Regulatory Authority, JACRA, assumed responsibility for permits to import or export coconut products and/or its substitutes on July 16. When quizzed about the increase, JACRA explained that the Coconut Industry Board, CIB, handed out permits, whereas they are offering licenses. However, our research showed that the licenses were meant to enable the same processes as the permits which were offered by the CIB. We also questioned the president of the Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, Diane Edwards, on the increase.
That is hefty. I wasn't aware of that level of increase of the cess because I don't really support the cess on exports. I think the cess should be on imports. I think imports are what should really pay for the operation of a regulatory agency, and I think we need to keep it easy for exporters and low cost.
JACRA has faced criticisms in recent times as local commodity producers question the amount of taxes they are required to pay. The entity is also suffering from structural changes as its chairman decided to quit in May, citing what he called a conflict of interest. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw pledged to review the policies of JACRA after finding the fees for export were higher than those for import. But in the meantime, local farmers continue to buckle under the pressure. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost 11 cents less. Automotive diesel will decline by 4 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will go for 28 cents less. However, kerosene will increase by 23 cents. 12 cents will be shaved off the cost of propane, while butane will go up by 11 cents. Retailers will, of course, add their respective markups to these prices. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar held firm against the US dollar today. The greenback sold for $137.47 on average. The Canadian dollar closed at $105.13. The pound is being sold for $176.70, while the euro is going for $159.74 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in October went up by $1.77 to settle at $67.86 a barrel. Now, the JSE index gained 498 points today, while the junior index increased by 25 points. Among the winners, Caribbean Cement Company, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Carreras, Elite Diagnostics, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, and Jamaica Broilers. On the losing side were Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Derrimont Trading, Iron Rock Insurance, Jamaica Producers, Key Insurance, Mayberry Investments, and Proven Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.